Hello, assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me? Anika, Bushra.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can hear me? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, listen, today, actually, I told you that there will be no class test today. It will be the next day, on Tuesday and Wednesday. And today, day after tomorrow, I mean, tomorrow is a government holiday. And that's why I told section one people to join today if it is possible for them, those who are free. Because of I'm going to send the video lecture and then they will have to go through so that Tuesday and Wednesday I can go with lecture 6. That's the main reason. So I think those who are are there anyone from section 1 here in the room at the moment?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rahat Tazwar, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. That means you all got the email and got the access. So I hope that those who are free, they will join. Excellent. That should be fine. Our class is going to be started at 12:30 sharp. And before that, we can go for the discussion from the previous class. And in the previous class, whatever the things I taught so far, because the test will be, class test syllabus will be up to that. So if anybody got any question from the previous class, you can discuss it now. Because I have a meeting after the class and then from the university. So after finishing the class, maybe I can't give you time. So you have to tell me now if anybody got any question. Do any one of you have any question to discuss from the previous? Yeah, go ahead, Pranoy Sarkar.
Sir, I have a question about the quiz.
Go ahead.
Sir, can you please take the quiz on the next class, like on Sunday, if it's possible?
No, that's because if it is something like that, you have to come to the university, right? Then I could think about it.
Sir, why I'm saying that is because of the puja.
I know
Many
that,
of us
because
will
of
stay at the village, and like
I know
I'll
that.
be traveling at that time.
I am telling you, I know that. That's the reason why I'm from village. You can attain it. That's why I'm talking about. If it is required to come to the university, then I could say, because of that puja. Actually, today's class test is cancelled. I think you might know that.
Yes,
We're
sir, I
supposed
know
to
that.
have the class test today, but I cancel it. So Sunday, Monday, 2 days we are giving it for puja. So Tuesday and Wednesday you have to go for. But still, if you're really having problem that you are traveling, you cannot, something like that, this is a special case. I think in that case, you can just contact me at emergency contact number, and case by case,
Okay, sir.
I will test, I'll check it. But I cannot, shift again the whole, then it will be a big mess. So I already changed this date from Sunday to Tuesday and Wednesday. I think it's quite good for everybody, and nobody objected that time. If you still have some problem, then it is your problem. Because of you, I don't think other people should be.
Yes, sir, obviously.
I think you can give me a call, and I will make a special arrangement for you. But it must be verified. Okay, and then if you see that you are really having problem like that, definitely I'll take care of that. Don't worry about it. Everybody must be, because this pandemic time also we have to take care of all these things. I'll especially take care. So you please let me know if you're really having problem. But if you can, you please go for it. This is better, because another exam if I take for you, it will be anyway. I think it's better to go in one shot. But if real problem, let me know. Okay. Any other problem?
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Okay, most welcome. Call. You don't have my emergency number, Pranoy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Just give me a call if any problem you have like that.
Okay, sir.
If anybody got something like that special problem, please you give me a call and let me know if that's all. I'm talking about in this group. If you have any question regarding the syllabus, regarding the problems given, practice problems or whatever, if you have any type of question, or if you think that's all, or you're confident enough to go for the final exam, for the CT1, it's okay, fine, no problem. We can go ahead. So, Pranoy, you can lower your hand. I think hopefully everybody understood. If any other people, any other question, we have still 7 minutes to go. Anyone else got any question? regarding the city one? Anik Bushra Shoha. Oh, I'm sorry. Somebody raise hand and drop it. Okay, Rahat Tajwar. Go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam, go.
Sir, sorry, if you would explain a little bit again about the delta calculation from Mason's rule. Sir, about the like
Okay,
two
listen, I'm
non-touching
just
loop and
telling
three
you one.
non-touching
Hang
loop.
on, hang on. You gone through the video?
No, sir.
Oh, you please kill me better. Why the video given? Do you know that? Because it's not a movie, sir. Is it?
No, sir.
So why you don't have access to BUX? Is something like that?
No, sir.
You can access. Can you access to
Yes,
the
sir.
BUX?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think the video lecture, if you go for one time and you see you cannot get it, you go for second time, third time, fourth time, 1,000 times you repeat. Nobody will tell you anything, right? And that's the reason I mean, everybody think that it will become easier for you. If you go through the video, that's the thing everybody do actually. Then it will be very simple. But today I'm asking you some particular problem. Then we could do it. But anyway, I'm just telling you, if you say the delta thing, what is that? Then I have to go to the video and I will ask you to listen and tell me where is the problem. If you cannot understand from the video that, sir, this part I cannot get, then definitely I'll ask you. But if you say, no, sir, you give me the full thing, then I should refer you that, okay, you can go ahead with the video. Just 1 minute. Okay, Tajwar, you can go ahead. Okay. Okay, I think none of you can see. Okay. First class, I think you can see now. Tajwar, can you see the?
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
can you see? Okay. Now, up to this, you understand G1, G2, all these things, right? This one,
Yes,
you
sir.
cannot. So up to this, your forward path is forward way. So you're going, if you say correct thing, and thing G1. And you got, I think rest found G1, G2, G3. And after that, we'll go for delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 and finish. Okay. So now to go. So from here, the delta starts calculating. Go for delta, we need to understand the definition of delta. Real life, Tajwar, please let me know where is the problem, okay?
Sir, can I speak first a little, sir?
Yeah, sure. Is it Tajwar talking to me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
go ahead, please.
Sir, like here we had like three non-touching loops. So for the delta calculation, we used 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3, and that's it. And sir, if there were like things like two non-touching loop, and sir, I have a little problem, sir. What will be the expression then, sir?
No, I'm sorry. You made a mistake here. Here, three loops are there, right? L1, L2, L3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And these three are touching loop or non-touching loop. That is the question.
Sir, they're probably sir, touching,
If
sir.
you, okay, then why you said three non-touching loop?
Sorry, sir. I just made a
Okay,
mistake.
there are three touching loop because this L1, L2, L3 all are touching loop each other. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you are getting, because of this, you are getting one, the first thing, which is that minus all individual loop gain, either touching or non-touching, does not matter. All the three loops, L1, L2, L3, they are summation. That means L1 plus L2 plus L3. Okay, that one is written here. You can see here, L1 plus L2 plus L3. These three loops, either touching or non-touching, doesn't matter, is the first step. Then the second step is plus, you have to take, the second step is gain product of two non-touching loops. Then you have to look for how many of them are non-touching. But you see, all are touching here, right?
Yes, sir.
There is no non-touching loop here, isn't it? Because all are touching. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If there is no non-touching, so can you do the product of two non-touching loop?
No, sir.
Good. That's why the second part is 0. Right? These things cannot be done. Now, can you see the picture? L1, L2, L3.
Yes, sir.
These three, if the loops are like this, then we can say these three loops are touching or non-touching.
Sir, touching, sir. There's a common line, right?
No,
Oh, no, no, sir, no,
you
sir.
are dumb. You look at my cursor. You come from here and come back here, one loop.
Yes, sir.
Come from here and come back here, another loop. There's
Yes,
a
sir.
big gap here. There is another G1, G2, something like that here. And again, these two are also not touching because in between there is another transfer function G3 or G4 or 2, whatever. And this is another loop. So these three are completely non-touching, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Touching, non-touching, you cannot get it yet, is it?
I get it, sir.
So why you say this is a common line? Common line doesn't matter, but when you complete the loop, are they touching each other or not? When you complete this loop from here to here and come back to the node, is it
Yes, sir.
touching any of the other two loop or not?
No, sir.
Okay.
The other two loops are not touching, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. And when you go to the second one, is it touching the other two loop?
No, sir.
Okay. When you go to this one, is it touching with the other two loops?
No, sir.
Then what do you see? This L1, L2, L3, these three loops are touching or non-touching?
Non-touching, sir.
Right. That's the answer. You understand it now?
Yes, sir. Like for this
Now,
case, we are gonna take.
now in our case, this is L1. But this L1, if you complete, is it touching L2 and L3 or not?
Sir, like, so there's a small line that's touching, sir.
Right.
Always.
Because this is the line here, from here to here. So this is the second loop, L2. This is the third loop, right? And
Yes, sir.
from here to here, this is a common path for all three of them. All three of them are touching in this common path. So they are all touching each other from here to here, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why L1, L2, L3, they all are touching each other. You clear now?
Yes, sir.
Like this, in the other part I show you, there is no common. Are there any common part they are touching in this three loop?
No, sir.
So even there is no node also. If it is touching the node, you can say it is touching. These loops are touching loop. Okay, I got a point. Where is your problem? Now I understand. Okay, just a minute. You are mistake is what? Tazwar, what is your problem? You understand where is the mistake you made? Tazwar, you got my point, what I mean?
Sir, like, I probably
can,
considered like
No,
all of them
listen,
the same.
listen,
What?
Tazwar, your mistake is you did not go through the video lecture.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is your blunder mistake. You did not go through the video lecture. Tomorrow you are, day after tomorrow you are having the test, right? What a smart guy. Hey, you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the mistake. If you gone through the video lecture, then it would be very easy for you to understand. Now you see, I'm just going to show this thing. Can you see the screen? That's what?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is one, and this one, and let's say this is another one. If you see that this is another loop over here, like say this loop is here, just like this here. Okay, then I can say that this is L1. Sorry. Let's say this is L1, this is L2, this is L3. Now, what happened? These loops are touching, non-touching. If you are going to say, then what will be the thing happening here? Now I'm telling you, L1, L2, L3, which are touching, which are not touching? That's what, bit faster.
Sir, L2 and L3 are touching.
L2 and L3 are touching. So if I say the summation of this thing, what will be the two non-touching loop product? Can you tell me?
L2, L3.
Okay, two non-touching loop product will be L2. I mean, what do you mean by that? L2 into L3. Okay, I'm just writing here. L1, L2 plus L2, L3 plus L3, L1. This is the combination of the three.
Yes, sir.
But which one should be taken off? Among the three, all are okay. Two non-touching at a time,
Supposed
right?
to be, sir,
You take
two
the product.
non-touching at a time. Yes, sir.
So all three should be fine.
No, sir. L2, L3 is fine, sir. Since that two are non-touching.
You are
right?
telling that L2 and L3 is fine. All are not fine, like that, right?
Yes, sir.
So you think that I should take it off and take it
Yes,
off.
sir.
Hey, rest of the people in the class, do you agree with him?
No, sir.
Then what will be that?
Sir, it will be L1, L3, and L2, L1. L2, L3 will not be in the equation.
What does it mean? It means you are talking about other way around.
Yes, sir. Because L2 and L3
Yes,
is touching. So
I understand. You are saying it will be other way around. Any one
Yes,
of
sir.
you in the class, which one will be correct? First student or second student?
The second one?
Yes. Who? Second one.
Yes, so I mean L2 and L3 will be removed.
Okay, so it means other way around what the first student said. Hey, rest of you, Habibur Rahman, what do you think, Habib? Habibur Rahman. Okay, Anamul, Hassan Tanvir. Muhammad Salman. Somebody should answer.
Sir,
Yeah, which one? First student is correct or second student is correct?
sir, second student.
Second, who is talking?
Sir, Habib.
Habib, good. Habib, at least I got the answer. I want to get the answer. That means you are confirmed or not. I'm not going to tell you the answer now. I'm just asking. Nabila, what do you think? Please.
The
what is it?
second one is correct.
Second one is correct. Why don't you tell me this? Do you have to pay money if you talk? It's already free online, right? No money, nothing if you talk. Siam. Sir, everybody is saying second one. I also say second one. Is it Siam? Siam is sleeping. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
What do you think?
second one is correct, sir.
Okay. All of you, most of you are saying second one is correct. That means I told the answer will be L1, L2 plus L2, L3 plus L3, L1. That means these two are touching. That's why these two are touching.
Yes.
But we have to take two
Yes,
non-touching at a time. So this is non-touching, this is non-touching. But this two is touching. L1, L2 and L3 touching. So this one cannot be. Only these two will be acceptable here. Tazwar, you are
Yes, sir.
at it?
Yes, sir. Now I got it, sir.
Good. So this is the way we have to think about. Now, in our case, what was that? If you see, in our case, it was like that. It is L1 here. It is L2 here. It is L3 here in our case. So it is L1, L2, L3. So all these three loops are touching each other from here to here at this point, from here to here. This green point, a green line is the common touching point. And that's why L1, L2, L3, if you go with that, and then you can say this is L1, L2 plus L2, L3 plus L3, L1. But none of them are acceptable because all of them are touching each other. There are no two non-touching loop here. That's why here it will not be. So no question of three non-touching loop. So in our case, what will be the answer is 1 plus summation of all these things. The first one, 1 minus N1 plus L2 plus L3 is in our case. And after that, all are 0, 0, minus 0, plus 0, minus 0, all are 0, 0. So you don't need to write it. So this is our delta for our case. And that's what you're having question. Go ahead.
So the sequence will be 1 plus L1, L2, L3 plus then minus then plus then minus like that, sir.
Um,
The two combination of L1, Ls and then
Hmm.
three combination like
yeah.
first will be plus then minus then
yes,
plus then
that's-
minus.
Let's say this is the formula. 1 minus, right?
Yes, sir.
1 plus L2. Let's say 3 loop there. If I
Yeah,
assume,
yes, sir.
then
Yes, sir.
this one will be L1, L2 plus L2, L3 plus L2, L1. Let's say all are
Yes, sir.
non-touching.
Yes, sir.
And then minus. Yeah, you see the formula. You didn't see it, isn't it?
So, if it goes to L4, then
No, 3.
that's
Okay,
the
it goes to
that's
N,
my
but after
question,
that
sir.
is plus. Yeah, after that is plus.
Yeah,
Plus
yeah,
minus
okay,
alternately.
okay.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so that's
And then
that's
you
the
go
part I
minus
was
it.
confused. Yes,
Oh
sir.
no,
Okay.
no. If you see, it's a very complicated block diagram
Yes, sir.
problem.
Yes,
Then
sir.
you need
Yes, sir.
those things.
Yes, sir.
And it is sequentially coming alternately, plus
Yes,
minus
alternate.
minus
Okay,
coming
sir.
here. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
but in the exam, of course, we are not going to give you that sort of problem. But in your
Yes,
real
sir.
life, practical life, if you get
Yeah, sir. I'm talking
there,
about the real
I
life.
know, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are right. That is the way actually you can go through. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
thank you, sir.
Tazwar. Hey, Tazwar, are you here?
L1, L2 plus L2, L3 and L3, L1 like this.
Right. Is Tazwar here?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm
Okay.
saying, sir.
Okay, so Tazwar, still if you have some confusion, I suggest you to go through the video lecture first. And still if you have problem, please you come back to me, giving me an emergency call or send an email and come back to me and I'll see what
Okay,
is
sir.
the problem, right? I am pretty sure if you go through the video lecture, you will be very much clear about it. Okay, so all of you, very careful, very careful. I am asking you, please inform your friends to come to join today, even though today's topic is not included in the class test city 1. Don't show yourself smart enough. I'm telling you again, inform your friends to come and join today. Today's bonus marks will be adding to support your city 1. City 1, maybe you cannot answer very well, and then this will help you. So today you can imagine is a part of the city 1, city 2, city 3, city 4. If you are genius guy or sensible guy, you must attend the class. Even this is not included in city 1 doesn't mean this is included. Today's class is every day's class is included in all the 4 cities, city 1, city 2, city 3, city 4, because it is going to be added with all the 4 cities. If you at least understand a little, everybody should join the class, should think that, yes, this is also city class. So you should go for the bonus marks. And if you are foolish, sleep at home. Okay, now at least I ask you, inform your friends to join. Ask them that this is a part of city also indirectly. Every intelligent student should understand it. Anyway, I think we can go ahead without talking too much because our time's up at 12:30. As I said, we have to go and start, but the question lead us to 41. Now let's come back to the point. The topic today we are going to discuss is the mathematical modeling of physical system. All of you imagine this is one type of city as well, because you have to answer, get the bonus marks, which will be added in your city. So you understand is how important the class and understand the class, answer to the question in the class. Okay, good. Now let us go for the topic today. That is, we are going to talk the mathematical modeling of physical system. This is one of the most important topic in control system. What we are going to go, as I told you, that a physical system like an aircraft, like an car, submarine, a military equipment, a biomedical engineering equipment, and it can be any complicated state space system, whatever a complicated system you can imagine, and you have to develop the mathematical model of it. That's how mathematical model of this means not you have to develop the mathematical model doesn't mean that you have to make a model of the aircraft, go to the architecture department and get it, and then you as an engineer, you have to develop the mathematical model, not the physical model. So mathematical model is a mathematical representation of the system. In the lecture, you can see these things in details, but I'm just telling you, mathematical modeling of physical system actually consists of, we are going to consider the servo system as the physical system ultimately. So in the servo system, we are going to see it's an electromechanical system. So in order to do the mathematical modeling of the servo system, you have to understand electrical system and mechanical system. So these are the two basic things you have to understand first. So we are going to see the electrical system first, and then we will see the mechanical system. Again, the mechanical systems are of two types we are going to see. One is your mechanical translational system, and another one is your rotational system. So mechanical translational system and mechanical rotational system, these two type of system we are going to see among the mechanical system. So after learning this electrical system, mechanical translational system, mechanical rotational system, then we will combine this knowledge together to go for the physical system, which is the servo system.
Sir,
yeah.
Sir, what do you mean by servo system?
Or servo system is the electromechanical device which is the servo motor along with its driver, which is used in lots of places. I'm talking the application of the servo system in lots of places. For example, if you go to the aircraft, for example, the servo synchro is used there. They are in the cockpit. The pilot is having the lever, and he is rotating the lever, which is like a steering in the car. Car is steering, like sort of thing. You can see in the pilot cockpit of a aircraft, they are moving like a steering. That is called lever. So if you rotate the lever 30 degree, then if you ever travel by air, have you ever traveled by air anywhere? Hey, Doc, who is asking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good.
Yes.
So if you sit next to the wing, can you see the flapper there is going up or down? I mean, it's open.
Yes.
And what it does by opening and closing?
Changing the direction of the wind during takeoff and landing to regulate the speed and angle of attack.
Good. So that flapper, when that one on the right wing rotate and steep, it cut the air, then the other wing will be as it is, and it will move from straight to the left direction. And it's the other way around, it can go to the right direction. This is I'm talking about at the time when it is on the air, it is going.
Yes, sir.
And when takeoff and landing, that's another thing. That is also having the same thing. It is, is the whole, both of the flapper are raised so that it cut the air, speed can go down. This flapper is in the tail, in the wing, and so on. So now, if you rotate this 30 degree, that will rotate, the flapper will rotate 30 degree. And if you go for Jurassic Park, you can see the dinosaur. The director is moving the joystick by this angle, that angle, and the Jurassic Park, the dinosaur also moving that way, angle, like that. If you go to the robot, in the robotic arm, there are 6 degrees of freedom. Each of the degree of freedom, they are installing one servo motor. So each of the degree are moving by what angle, by the hand, or these, exactly, these are the applications of the servo system in every aspects. Okay, you will come to know these things in future, but we are picking the servo system. There is a good question, why? We are taking the servo system as a example in control system to study, because servo system is a second order type 1 system which can be applied for all the control analysis in time domain as well as in frequency domain. So all the frequency domain method, like the Nyquist stability criterion, Ruthian stability criterion, board diagram, all these things we are going to apply on it, as well as in the time response, the first, second order time response, steady state error analysis. You can see all this with the second order system we are going to do. And after getting the transfer function of the servo system after these couple of classes, electrical system, one class, mechanical, rotational, mechanical, translational, all these, finishing these things, then we are going to develop the transfer function of the servo system. And you'll see the transfer function gives a flavor that it is a second order system, which is very much suitable to analyze all the control theory. That's the reason why the servo system is taken. And also, if you can do the lab, then you can see in the lab also, we have the servo system. We have the servo unit there. 2 units are there to do the practical experiment. But unfortunately, I don't know what will happen. But I have told Abir as well that we have arranged some sort of what you call the video for those 1 or 2 lab from the servo system. But rest of the labs will be done on MATLAB Simulink. And it will be the combination of 2. Normally, this is the way the lab is conducted. But what I do, I have already uploaded the lab experiments using the servo system in the BUX. Have anybody seen the lab video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you can see from there, actually the servo unit looks like what? And we will discuss that thing in the last class after electrical, mechanical, and translation 3 class complete, and then we'll see the servo system. There we'll discuss about the lab video. All right, so that's the reason why the servo system. You got your answer. Somebody
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are going
my
to,
answer.
no problem. We are going to discuss today the electrical system first. All of you be ready to go ahead with this electrical system, and after that, next class, we'll go for the mechanical system. So this lecture will give you the introduction of the electrical system in detail. So I think all of you are ready to come to that. Can you see the video? Can you see the screen of the electrical system video lecture? No. Up to today's,
No.
okay, no, just a minute. Okay, hopefully now you can see that. And okay, can you hear the sound, please? Lecture, what will be taught will be in the CT1. So all of you be careful about today's class, what I'm teaching as well. Now, we have completed our job, that is Mason's gain formula, signal flow graph, and the canonical form reduction technique. And we found actually how to reduce the block diagram and get the transfer function C by R. This is what one of the very important thing we need to understand. And now the block diagram, we already, I told you that how we are going to reduce, but where the block diagram will come from, or we are going to consider. Can you remember what physical system we are going to consider? I told you at the end. Hey, Tam, what happened?
Servo system.
Right, servo system. Unfortunately, you cannot do it in the lab, and you cannot see the thing in the lab. But I will give you the, I'll upload it in the BUX, the manual of the servo system, so that at least you can see the servo system, how it looks like. And maybe I can also upload some of the experimental video into the BUX as well, so that you can at least get some flavor how to do the lab work with this servo system, and then you can compare it with the theory class, because it is the same thing what I'm teaching in the theory class. You're supposed to do it in the lab, but since you cannot do it in the lab, so I'll upload it into the video. And I'll upload the video lab with the hardware, so that at least you can get some flavor. Please remind me if you have 2 type of system combination over here, electrical system and mechanical system. And after that, mechanical systems are also 2 types. One is your translational system, another one is your rotational system. So all three types of things we are going to learn first individually. After that, we are going to combine together on the servo system, and then we are going to find the block diagram from the real servo system, and then we'll find the transfer function of the servo system. That is our main target, and this is the basic knowledge about how to find the transfer function of a physical system. After that, if you go to a robot and the robot got a lot of servo motor in different junction, and you can find the overall servo system, overall transfer function for the whole robot. If you go to the aircraft, you can find a lot of control systems there, and you can find different blocks. You go for any critical, like a car, or you can go for any critical system like that, you can find the mathematical models the same way. How to do the analysis of signal and systems, and through that you have to develop the block diagram. And after that you can apply any of the technique, either block diagram reduction technique, canonical form reduction technique, or SFG, Mason's gain formula, to determine the transfer function from the block diagram. This is the sequence. Now let's go for our things here. As I told you, we are going to learn two things, electrical and mechanical. Today we are going to talk about the electrical system. Next class, maybe the mechanical system, and so on. After that, servo system, we're going to go. So electrical system is our target today to learn. So let us see how the electrical system can work, and what is electrical system, and these that we are going to learn today. Now let's come back to the point. Electrical system, you are all electrical engineers, so electrical systems you are very much familiar. So today's class will be very easy class for you, and all of you can easily understand today's class. And next class, mechanical system, maybe you will be having a little bit problem because you are not familiar with that. So if I say electrical system, you all are very much familiar. From where? From the course you have done with me or with someone else, who the guys are taken, I don't know, this is what is from, I'm telling here, so from Tripoli 201. You all done the DC course. Without DC, you came here. Anybody there? Hello? All of you completed the DC 201, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What are the three basic electrical components in electrical system? Tell me. Anybody?
Resistor, inductor,
Right. Absolutely.
capacitor.
So three basic electrical components are resistor, inductor, and capacitor. We are going to learn those things again so that it will be easier for you. So first thing is, we can start with the resistor. And resistor is an electrical system which is represented by R, and the symbolic diagram, every children know that this is the symbolic diagram of the resistor. And if this is R, and if a current flow through this is I, and the voltage is V, so V as a time varying case I'm talking about, and R is the system, and I and V is a signal. So if it is going like that, as you know that this guy is represented by Ohm's law, which is V equal to IR. I'm not writing T because it is a small letter, so you all understand the time varying case. Now, if it is something like that, and then I can say, hey, you understand it? What is going on? Tell me if you have any problem. So this is V equal to IR. And if you take the Laplace transformation of this thing, and then you are getting what? Then you are getting Vs equal to R into Is. Got it? This is the equation in frequency domain, and this is the time domain equation, and this is the frequency domain equation. Vs equal to, okay, I think you cannot get it, maybe. I'm just going to write it again. So when you go for taking the Laplace transformation, then you are getting a capital letter Vs. S, you know that, S is j omega. Okay, from time domain to frequency domain, you do Laplace. Laplace transformation can convert from time domain to frequency domain, right? And frequency domain, time domain is a 2 pi f. You know that things. I think you have you have started these things. So if Vs will be equal to R into Is. So this is what in the frequency domain we are getting the equation. I'm talking about that thing. Do you understand it? At least one of you should respond. Opening. Okay, good. All right, no problem. So I think then you are with me. Otherwise, I'm thinking you are watching movie and I'm talking. Okay. Now this is what the register. This is what the register TF or transfer function. This is the transfer function for the register. That means output by input, you can just say that the Vs by Is is what we call that R, or you can say Is by Vs equal to 1 by R, whatever conductance register, whatever you said. There's an input output signal ratio. There's a output by input equal to the transfer function. That's what we can say. This is the transfer function of the register, or we can say also this is a differential equation for the register. Okay, that's all about how to represent the transfer function for a single electrical system component, register. So register can be represented mathematically in this way. This is the mathematical model for the register. I think you should get it what I mean. Hey, we have 10 minutes to go. Zoom is going to cut and we'll come back. Hey, let's say IL or whatever. You can say this is IR, then it will be IL, like sort of things, whatever it is. And this is VL. I think you can write IL, this is VL, then it will be easier to get. Okay, plus minus VL. So if you go with this, let's go back to EEE 201. In EEE 201, you I think remembered it, right? That the VL will be. Hey, some of you did EEE 201 with me, and you can remember the equation for inductor. Can you? Any duct? Anybody can tell me what is VL equal to? Remember L?
L di dt.
Yes, L di by dt. DIL by dt you can say also. Yeah, dl by dt. Can you remember this equation? Hey, all forgot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then why are you silent? Could not answer. Now look at it. This is what the thing in time domain. This is a time domain equation. Now you want to take converting to frequency domain equation. What you have to do is you have to take the Laplace transformation. Is the first time in your life you heard Laplace transformation? Is it?
No, sir.
Okay, so if you know, then tell me from the Laplace table, we can find that this is VLS equal to what Laplace table said. Look at it. Laplace of d dt. Okay, if you go to the Laplace table, since you did not hear it first time, and then you take the Laplace transformation of this thing, you get simple S. S is j omega, you know that. So in this case, we have one S here. Look at it carefully. Okay. So L is a fixed L. This L and this Laplace don't mix up. This is Laplace L. This is Laplace L. And this is inductor L. Okay. This L and di by dt is S. And IL is IL, capital letter S. That is what the equation for the inductor in frequency domain. LS, okay, it's LS. S is a little bit bigger. It should be a small s, just operator, S operator, frequency operator. So LSIS, ILS. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anybody got any confusion or any question, please let me know. Maybe you forgot it, right? And that's why you are all thinking, and by this time I gone there, so you short-circuited. Is it, you are still thinking about it? How it is? Is it like that? Or you?
Yes.
Sir, I got it.
Yeah, you got it, good. You go to Laplace table, Laplace Table. I think what is Laplace table? The table where you eat your dinner tree, that table you're talking about. You know Laplace table. There you can see these things. Yeah. So if you see any book Laplace table, you can get it from there. So you can easily convert it. This ddt, this gives you this s, and this il Laplace transformation gives you ILS and VLS. That's the three things coming there. Okay, good. I think you already understood. If not, tell me. I'm jumping next. Please. Okay, if you all understand it, then I'm jumping to the next component. Hey, what is the next component?
Capacitor.
Capacitor, good. So you try to remember what is the equation for the capacitor. Ask you a question and give me the answer. This is capacitor. Capacitor is C. C looks like this. Okay, so if this is a capacitor, you think, then ICT, this is C, and this is VCT. Okay, and the plus minus VCT is there. Now, if we go here, what is the equation for capacitor? Anybody know?
So 1 by IC integration of small IC dt.
What is equal to?
So VCT.
You say Q equal to VC, right? So dq by dt
Hello?
So 1 by S is the, and if you go for, right, now it is VC small VC equal to 1 by C integration of, as your friend told, that IDT. So everybody understood where it comes from and what is this. Now, if the Laplace transformation you take, then you are getting what? In this case, okay, in the live class, I hope that you all got up to this. Can anyone of you, I'll give you 0.5 bonus marks. Can anyone of you can tell me, if I take the Laplace transformation, what would be the, Riful shake, raise hand. Yeah, Riful, tell me, what is that?
Sir, VCS equals to ICS divided by CS. Because sir, we know sir, Laplace transformation of S dt equals to sir 1 by S.
Integration of IDT, integration of dt is 1 by S. The Laplace transformation table can give you this value. Integration of dt. Can you tell me what is this? If take the Riful, you said this one equal to what?
Yes, sir.
Look at the cursor. Can you see the cursor?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, 1 by S, sir.
Okay, that's just in line with me. Okay, don't go away. Laplace transformation. Okay. Last time, Laplace transformation of ddt gave you what? This is give you S. And if you go for, right, like this, d square, and remember, this d square, dt square, it will be s square. It's a d cube, s dt cube, then it will be s cube. And in the Laplace story, you can see this is n, d to the power n, then it will be s to the power n. You can see the formula. Like that way, if it is dt, what is this? Do you know?
1 by S.
Absolutely good.
1 by S.
1 by S. And if it is a dt, double integration dt, then it will be s square, then dt squared is like that, is triple integration, increasing this one. So our case is only one integration, so we can say one integration, and one integration give you what do you call that, only one s, not a couple of s. So 1 by s is the equation we are getting. So if you take the Laplace transformation, then what you are getting here, you can easily write it there, that VCS will be equal to what? Equal to 1 by C S. S is coming at the bottom, and on the top is 1 by C. So 1 by C, and that one is IC. This is IC, right? This is okay, right? IC. IC I have written here already. So then it will be capital IC instead of 1. You can 1 into IC means IC capital S within within S operator. So this will be ICS. I think you should be okay. Understood this thing. This is IC. Okay, ICS divided by CS. Okay, this is what the transfer function or the mathematical model for the capacitor. These are the three basic mathematical model presentation for the three basic elements. Okay, we are going to out from Zoom within a second, and we will come back, and after that we will actually the kit. First, let us go with that example, a simple example where we are going to very much familiar with this thing, I hope, and you can easily say yes sir. What is this? If I say this is R, this is L, and this is C. So if you apply a voltage source here, that's my voltage source here. So okay, so that VC, everybody can understand it. Now if I am telling here, before that I'm just telling you, okay, I'm just going to tell you fast before we go for it. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, before I go there, I'm asking you here first, this is the problem. You apply the voltage V, you get the current I. That means your excitation is the voltage and your response is the current. Means your input is the voltage and your output is the current. So if I ask you this electrical system mathematical model you find, that means you have to find the transfer function of the system. So I am asking you, what is the transfer function of the system? Output by input. So your output is your I as a response. Excitation is a voltage as a Vs. So you have to find the transfer function means output by input, that is Is by Vs equal to what? That is what your question as a find this transfer function of this electrical system. So that is the mathematical model you are going to find for this electrical system. If you want to do that, what you have to go for, that is the thing I'm talking about. If you want to find a solution, then you have to go like this. If this is the resistor, the voltage across the resistor VR, this is the inductor, the voltage across the inductor VL, this is capacitor, then this is plus minus VC. Now, what law should be applied here to find the answer? Hey, these are components, resistor, inductor, capacitor, forming the electrical system. What is the name of this circuit?
RLC.
Hey, anybody? This is called RLC? RLC what?
RLC circuit, sir.
Right, RLC series circuit. Series circuit. RLC series circuit. So RLC series circuit, how to solve it? Can you tell me what law should be applied?
KVL.
What?
Using KVL.
KVL.
Beautiful. KVL you apply, you can get a V equal to VR plus VL plus VC. And you have to now to the live class, all of you can see my cursor. So all of you please now got the idea so far how to find it. Please go ahead and find the transfer function equation. And if anyone can finish it faster, raise your hand. I'll give him 1 bonus marks. Go ahead faster. And you have to show me through the screen share or in the chat box or by email. As soon as you do it, send it to me by email or ready to show me in the share screen, whatever. Share screen will be the first preference, as I told you earlier. Yeah, one guy had raised hand. Okay, 3 of you, just 30 seconds left. Okay, time's up. Okay, up to 6 person had raised their hand. Now, first of all, going to talk to Rahatil bin Mustafiz.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you tell me how you did by sending email or what?
Sir, I can video.
Share screen.
No, sir, video. Like
video means camera.
Yes, sir, camera.
Okay, I'm going to give you the share screen permission. Okay, then you can just go ahead. Okay. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now you can go ahead. Yep. Oh, you can go ahead. Go ahead.
Sorry, sir.
Yes,
sir. Sorry.
Show you the video.
So
show
this
the video. Yeah. And you shift to the. Okay, that's okay. What is alas? And what is the final answer?
So final answer is IS bracket R plus LS plus 1 by CS.
Did you write IS by VS equal to what? No.
No, sir.
You have to
simplify that. Final answer. Oh, sir. Yeah, final answer will be R plus LS plus 1 by CS, because if I
you write it and show me. Please.
Oh, okay, sir.
Show me. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. So can
okay. Okay. You show me. Okay.
Yes,
no
sir. IS equals to R plus LS plus 1 by CS. That's the final answer, sir. Can you see?
I can see, but it is not correct. That's what the thing is. Your answer should be what? I by V, not V by I.
Oh, sorry, sir. Then
so you come back again, no problem. I'll check again. You do it and show me again. Any other guy? I think next you come back after cool brain, because otherwise you'll not get marks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now next is Samid Hassan. Samid bin Hassan.
Yes, sir.
How you do? How you show me by screen share or what? Please faster.
Yes, sir. Screen share, sir.
Okay, go ahead. In your screen. Okay, you show me. Given the permission already. Yep. Okay, what is the final answer you got? Yeah, this is the answer. IS equal to IS by VS, not VS by IS, because very careful. I said transfer function means IS by VS.
Yes, sir, I was mistaken there.
Yeah, I know that, but by this time, Samit had copied from you and then fix it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So what I'm doing, this 1 marks, I'm giving both of you 0.5, 0.5. Okay. Thank you very much, okay, Samit.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, now let's go back to the video again. Let's see the answer. Can you hear the sound? To take the Laplace transformation and a capital V, can you hear the sound? VR, capital
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Capital VS. You see. Now that means you all are here with that was a time domain. This is frequency domain. Remember, this is the thing. Now you can easily find the equation of VR. VR means look at the components. VR means what? This is, if you say this is VR, This is IR or I. So what is this? V equal to IR. So this VR equal to IR. So I is the common current and ISR. And R is a system, so is a constant. VL, what is VL? Look at it. So you are writing here not IL, rather you can write here IS. So it makes sense. LS and this is IS. Fine. Plus VC. What is VC equation we developed for the capacitor? VC equation is what? Divided by
IS by 1 divided by CS.
Yeah, ICS by CS. In our case, it is IC means I. So we can write IS. Yeah, you are right. Some of you said IS divided by CS. You can see now, yes, IS divided by CS. So this is what the equation you got. This is VS. You all understand it up to this?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now you can take common IS from here. IS, if you take out IS. If take out IS, this IS will go away. This IS will go away, right? Hey, you should understand. Now, okay. Yeah, it is RCS plus what?
LCS square plus 1.
1 plus 1. Some of your brain short circuited, right? So simple thing. Some of the ducks do not get it. Now look, yeah, go. You can understand or what? You like CS here.
Understand, sir.
So why don't you respond then? R equal to 1 what? What is it okay? What will be the
Our input.
You can understand or what? You like CS here.
Understand, sir.
So why don't you respond then? I get it. All of you dead. RCS plus 1. That's it. Now you can write this IS. So you can write VS by IS by VS equal to what? I think you all got it. Now, if I say that if you put like, let's say R equal to 1, L equal to 1, and C equal to 1. Let's say C equal to 1. R equal to 1 what? What is the unit of R? Unit is ohm. What is the unit of Henry? I'm sorry. What is the L? L is Henry. What is the unit of capacitor 1? Farad. So if it is 1 ohm, 1 Henry, 1 farad, the values. Hey, come on, listen. Then what will be the? What's wrong? What will be the? Okay. Is it okay? What will be the?
Our input as well. We take microphone input or headset from the microphone, audio output. The other side, we have 2 USB-A ports and then port control from that Thunderbolt port.
Okay, Didar Alam.
Yes, sir.
You wanted to say something, Didar? 1 Henry, 1 ohm, and 1 farad. Then the transfer function will be like this. Hey, you all get it now? Anyone of you?
Yes, sir.
Didar Alam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it should be fine. In that
Yes,
case, at least one of you tell me if you are if you're all clear. And anybody got confusion, any question, immediately raise your hand or straight away tell me using your microphone, please. Okay, good. That is the RLC parallel circuit. I am asking you to go for a simple example faster by yourself and see what is the answer you give me. All of you be ready. I'm just giving it to you to do it. And you can see what answer you can find from here. Okay. This is today we are going to talk about the electrical system only. Next class we'll go for the mechanical system. So some problems we need to solve, which current flow through each of the duct here as in parallel. So you can see this is IR, IS. What is the transfer function VS? Okay, a bit faster this time. Your open question to all of you. Anybody can answer 0.5 bonus mark. Bit faster. Exactly the similar way you have to do. Raise your hand once you're done. Okay. Now, can I ask again, Rahat Tazwar did the first person?
Yes, sir, I did.
Yeah.
Sir.
How you want to show me?
Sir, give me the screen share permission.
Screen share permission given already.
Oh,
Just
sir.
go ahead. Okay. Can you zoom it in? Okay, no problem. No, just yeah. Okay, fine. Go to the next one. RCS. Okay. Anybody got the answer? Something like this? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
correct?
same answer.
Yes, good. Okay, Rahat, you will get the full 0.5 marks. If you can answer the second question, then you will get full marks. Hey, Rahat Tazwar. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
if the value of resistance is 1 ohm, L, inductor 1 Henry, and capacitor 1 farad, what will be the answer? Go and write it faster.
Sir, the inductor is 1 Henry, right, sir?
All 1, 1, 1.
Okay, sir.
You don't need to calculate. You can tell me straight away, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What will be the answer?
S by S square plus S plus 1.
Good. So there's the same answer. Isn't the same answer?
Yes, the same answer.
Yeah,
just
good.
R
I think
and
that
L
should be
constant.
fine. So you get the full 1 bonus marks. Thank you very much. Everybody
Thank you,
can
sir.
go ahead. By IS equal to, that's the question. Now you have to find the solution. I think everybody know how to do it. So, and plus R plus do it. And next we can ask for this. This is another problem also. We can set most of the time, and you can do it now. Okay, this problem you try. Okay, here you go. Okay, if it is a similar type of problem. If this is a problem given to you in the exam, and this sometimes final exam, midterm, we used to set this problem, and sometimes you can see in the class test also. So if this type of problems you have to answer, then how you do? Like sort of things. Now, this is a question. And after solving the previous problem, this example will be very simple for you to solve. What to do? Output by input, you have to find V out by V. So exactly the same way you have to solve. Look, you have to combine this together into one, and you have to combine this together into one. As it, this is your ZI, this is your ZF, right? The feedback impedance, and this is the input impedance. And what is this got? Looks like this triangular box.
Op-amp.
Okay, anyone can answer to the question?
So it's an op-amp.
You raise your hand first, because it's a sequential question you have to answer. Raise your hand. Who can answer one by one? Okay, then Anamul Hassan Tanvir. Muhammad Naib Raihan.
Op-amp.
Yeah, you can carry on with me, Raihan. It is an op-amp, fine. Now, next question is, what is this configuration? The op-amp amplifier configuration. Raihan, what is the?
Yes. High.
What?
High input.
High input. Now, op-amp operational amplifier is connected with the feedback resistance and input resistance, and input and output connection. Everything is given here. Now,
yes.
I'm asking you, what is this operational amplifier configuration?
Feedback amplifier.
Okay, feedback amplifier, good. Now, what will be the gain of these things? V out by V in. Output by input, voltage gain.
It is closed loop, so 1 plus V out by V in equals to 1 plus RF by RI.
Here it is ZF by ZI. So
yes.
Why did you not say minus RF by RI?
Because it is closed loop, not open loop.
Okay. What is the difference between AV, voltage gain, equal to minus RF by RI, and another one is 1 plus RF by RI, right? These two things you started.
Yes.
Which one is for what? 1 plus RF by RI and minus RF by RI. These two gain is for two amplifier, operational amplifier. So which one is for which one?
Closed loop amplifier is used for cannot remember.
Okay, good, no problem. So if you could answer this question, then I could give you some marks, but I cannot give you the marks now. Okay, so if anybody wants to participate this, remember you have to go further up, only then you can get 0.5. Okay, now Kazi Ahnaf is the new guy, I can say. Kazi Ahnaf, can you answer then? What is the configuration? Kazi Ahnaf?
So the configuration is non-inverting. I mean, there is
No,
input in the
okay,
positive
fine,
side,
good.
so-
It is a non-inverting amplifier configuration because the input is connected to the positive side, and that's why the gain is 1 plus RF by RI. Good, and that is what one of the answer. Now my second question to Ahnaf, if you want to get marks, what is ZI equal to?
Jedi is in series circuit, so sir, R1 plus C1. I mean, that is R1 plus minus J
Now if you said R1, yeah, that's right. Then from there, in terms of S,
sir, then it will be sir, R1 plus 1 by SC1.
good, beautiful. SC1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, can you tell me in that case, what will be ZF?
So, if you could give me some time, sir, I have to do it, sir.
Yeah, you do it and tell me. Go ahead, you do it. Once
Yeah,
you've done it, you raise your hand. Okay, I'm going through by this time. Operation amplifier.
Okay, sir.
So, what is the configuration of feedback resistance and feedback and input F? This is RR.
No, sir.
So,
I by
right.
sorry, sir. ZF divided by ZI.
Right. Why Z1, Z2? Where do you get it from? I don't know. Okay, now is okay. This one also same, B0 by BI. In this case, what will be the transfer function? You have to find from the ZF and ZI. Now R1, R2, all this value, and then find the final. Do it and show it. How you answer is divided by 1 plus R2 C. Okay, so Ahnaf, did you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's,
What is your answer?
The final answer is sir, R2 divided by R2 C2 S plus 1.
Final answer for what? ZF?
Yeah, yes, sir.
What is that? R2 divided by 1 plus?
R2 C2 into S. I mean, R2 C2
Okay,
S.
okay, just let me see. C2S, it will be coming like that. Good. Okay, now, Ahnaf, your last question, then you get 0.5. What is B0 by VI? Faster. Wait.
Okay, sir.
And rest of you also do. If Ahnaf fail, then you can do it. I can share the marks. I think next is Anamul. I'll ask Anamul to tell me the answer if Ahnaf made a mistake. Anamul, get ready. Yeah, Ahnaf, once you're done, bit faster. Okay, if Anamul had done it, you can also tell me, Anamul, the final answer.
Sir, I'm still doing it.
Okay, good, no problem. Then it's all right. Okay, after Anamul, then we can ask Rahat Tazwar and Riful Sheikh. Any one of you done it already? Tell me the answer. Yeah, Afnaf, have you done?
No, sir, doing it. Sir.
Okay, go. All four of you, anyone can do it. I'm asking anybody other than this four guy. If anyone can do it, you tell me. Raise your hand and tell me. From the classroom, anybody. It's any children can do these things. Substitute this R, ZF and ZI and do the final answer. It's very simple. Substitute the value of ZI and ZF. ZI, ZF already given.
Sir, I'm done.
Okay, what is the answer?
Sir, 1 plus.
What is your name?
Sir, Enamul Hassan Tanvir.
Okay, what is that? 1 plus?
Sir, is 1 plus.
1 plus what? On the top or bottom?
On the top, sir.
On the top is what? 1 plus what? Go.
R1 C1 R2 C2 S square plus R2 C2 S plus R1 C1 S plus 1 R2 C1 S.
And bottom?
Bottom is R2 C1 S.
C1 S. That's it. Okay. Is it correct? Anybody?
Yes, sir. My answer also came the same, sir.
What does it mean? What does it mean? Who say? I'm saying Afnaf.
Sir, I'm not sure.
Sir, there's a two more term in the bottom side. So.
Yeah. Okay. Just tell me clearly what is on the top and what is on the bottom. Who want to say the answer first?
Sir, Riful Sheikh, sir.
Riful Sheikh. Okay, Riful Sheikh. Tell me on the top.
Sir, R1.
Okay, just a minute. I'm going to show you this thing. Okay. Okay. You tell me on the top, what is that?
Sir, 1 plus.
1 plus.
Sir, 1 plus R1 S C1.
R1 C1 S, then go.
R1 R2 S square.
Multiply
C1
or what?
C2.
No, you have to multiply or you have
multiply.
to plus?
No, plus, sir. Plus, sir.
Plus what? Can you see the screen? Hey, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So why don't you tell me what will be the next one?
Sir, R1 R2 S square C1 C2.
Then you should say S square at the end.
Plus
S square. Okay, then.
Okay, sir. Plus R2 C2 S.
R2 C2 S will be first. Then in that case, okay, R2 C2 S. Then
sir, R2 C1 S.
R2
sir, on the top plus.
S on the top. Okay.
Sir, on the top plus
C1 S.
Sir, and on the bottom side, sir, there SC1.
SC1. Let me
Yes,
C1 S.
Sir, C1
S. Then?
Yes, sir. Into sir bracket.
Okay.
Yes.
Then
1 plus R2. 1 plus R2S C2, sir.
Okay, then.
Sir,
into
পুরাটার সাথে স্যার আরেকটা টার্ম আসবে স্যার।
Like this.
স্যার উপরে মানে স্যার পুরাটার সাথে
No. Why don't you break down like the polynomial on the top? You did what? You break it, right? You multiply and then you found it.
Yes, sir.
You could do that same thing.
স্যার উপরে পুরাটার সাথে স্যার SC1 মাল্টিপ্লাই হবে স্যার।
Oh no, then something wrong. Okay, any other people got the answer correctly?
Sir, it is.
Sir, can I show?
Oh, all of you are getting the same thing, is it? Okay.
Sir, can I
show? No. Listen, I understand your capability. Okay, now what is ZF? Can tell me anybody on the top?
Sir, R2
divided by 1 plus
R2 C2S plus 1.
R2 C2S. And on the bottom is?
Sir, that's it.
No, I'm taking RF.
Sir, R1 SC1 plus 1 divided by SC1.
That means 1 plus R1 C1S, right?
C1S over C1S.
C1S.
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm very much wondered. Students are so bad. This is ZF, this is ZI. At least you should get it. Is it correct or not? ZI, ZF value.
Yes, sir. It's correct, sir.
It's correct, sir. So why you cannot tell me this simple thing? And then if you simplify this, any children can say that what will be the value coming here? R2 C1.
R2 C1S.
And on the bottom you can write here 1 plus R1 C1 S R2 C2S. That's it. That's it, right?
Yes, sir. I had done that,
and
sir.
You done it, but you could not tell me. There's a problem. 1 plus R1 C1S. And it is 1 plus R2 C2S. That's it. And on the top, you can write simply as it is, no problem. You can just go ahead like this. You don't need to, for the time being, I'm just talking about. If you say that this thing at least, R2C2S plus R1C1S. Just leave it for the time being like this. That is your transfer function, you can say, right? If you multiply up, if you multiply everything, you should multiply at the bottom also. Got my point? You understand it?
Yes, sir.
Up to this, if you tell me, it is okay also. I know that you have done what? You multiply everything on the top, right? You multiply everything on the top and find the polynomial. Then at the bottom also same. You have to go for multiply everything and tell the polynomial. But you did not do the multiplication, rather you are talking this and that. It's a matter of two line, and also you can say me these things should be fine. So Ahnaf cannot get full marks. Ahnaf will get 0.525. Okay, now let's come back to the point. This is what I'm thinking, that still some of you are confused about this thing. This thing means I'm just going to show you. Can you see the thing? Just a minute. 305. What is the lecture today? We are going to go for 5. Okay, practice problem. If you go with this, okay. Okay, practice problem. If you go, look at it, all of you. This is the problem. All of you can see this problem, right? It is the problem actually we are talking about. Okay, now look, most of you don't get it actually, because this thing, this two things gives you R1 plus 1 by C1S. As Afnaf's told that this is your ZI, and how it is 1 by CS. There's a question coming there. I think you know that or not? Minus JXC. The minus JXC is what? Minus JXC is what? J 1 by omega C. 1 by omega C. Not omega C, 1 by omega C, right? And you just multiply upside downside minus J. So minus J into 1, another minus J, and this is minus J omega J. Up and down you multiply with J, and then J square minus 1 is a plus 1 J square, and then J omega C, and J omega C is your S. That's what gives you 1 by CS. That's what he said. And if it is C1, this is C1, this is C1S. So if you say C1, then C1, C1, C1S. That's the way actually this is giving you R1 plus minus J omega C, minus J omega C is giving you, this is minus JXC, remember, is giving you minus J omega C. So JX omega C is giving you 1 plus C1S. That's the way actually Ahnaf told you this is R plus 1 by C1S. And same thing happening here. ZF is just a parallel combination of R2 and parallel to C2F. C2 is giving you the same way, 1 by C2S. Like C1 gives you what? C1 gives you 1 by C1S. Like that, C2 gives you 1 by C2S. And then you can just do this parallel combination, which is R2 into 1 by C2S and R2 plus C2S, 1 by C2S. I'm talking about the whole class, because most of the student in the class don't get it. How ZF equal to this and ZI equal to this. And now I hope that everybody understood how the ZF comes from, where the ZF come from and where the ZI come from. And that ZF and ZI, I have substitute over here. Oh, where is that? Over here. Here. This ZF is this and ZI is this. And the ZF and ZI, those values are substituted here. You are thinking where it comes from. Now everybody understood where it comes from. Hey, in the class, everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. I think this is one of the important thing, because the next thing will be similar. And that's why I'm telling you, you need to understand this thing. Okay, let us go for the next one. And this is coming like okay, let's just a minute. Oops. All right, just 1 second. Hello. Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay. Can you see the screen now?
Not sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes.
can, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go. R2 divided by 1 plus R2 C2 is your R1 C1 C1S 1 plus R2 C1
R2C.
S and 1 plus R2 C2 C1S plus C1S. That is of our resistance and capacitance. At least up to this, if you can do, you must secure more than 50% marks. And rest of the marks will be given once you substitute the value and get the final equation in terms of numbers. I think that part you can do it by yourself at home, R1 value, C1 value, like that. All questions coming here, ZF and ZI. Do all of you understand? Can you hear me? Live class?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
look at this. In the question, there is something R1 value given 360 kilo, R2 is 220, and C1 is 5.6, and C2 is this. And you have to substitute this value into the equation, and you get a numerical transfer function ultimately. And that will be the final answer in the exam. Similar type of question will be coming in the midterm exam as well as class test. So all of you should be careful about it. This up to this is okay, and after that, substitute and get the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm asking one. Tofik.
Yes, sir. Yes. No, so just substitute.
Hopefully you should be. Ahmed Rizvi, talking about kilo 5 microfarad. The mechanical, you don't need to do it because this is next class we are going to do. So we are going to do what? I'm just going to show that another example. If you go, you cannot find here, but you can find these two example. Okay, no problem. But you look at it. There is a practice problem here. In this practice problem, also mechanical thing. You don't need to go that next class. If you go with this one, yeah. If you go there, the problem, two problems here, one mechanical, one electrical. You solve the electrical one. Likewise, if you go like for other example I have given over here, you look at it. There is another one. Look at this gut. Maybe this is an important point. You can see very similar Hey, you online, this is we have only 10 minutes time to go. I'm just a lot of other problems are there in this practice, all the electrical video again, and all the video to the next class after, and ask me that straight away, both of you, sir, and camera with the email to the live question. All of you be ready. Can you solve this problem just like the same way you did? Write down the equation and show me. You will get full 1 bonus point. Write ZF, ZI, and write the equation the way I show you. Full 1 bonus point. Please faster and raise your hand. Yeah, three of you have raised your hand. Okay, anyone else? Because I'm going to finish time. Because this is the last question. Just 30 seconds left. After that, we are going to start.
Hello?
Yeah,
Sir, I
yes,
cannot
sir.
hear anything.
Just 1 minute, because I 30 second finish, I'll start calling the name and then you have to answer, okay? Yes. Now, who are the guys? Raise their hand. Okay, now 4 of them already raised their hand. Who first? Okay, now I'm just calling the name. Listen, among 4 of you, who is from section 1? Rahit Mustafiz, Riful, Habibur Rahman, and Ryan.
Yes, sir.
Who?
Yes, sir.
I'm
I
from
section 1.
Okay, Mustafiz,
1,
you
sir.
from where? Mustafiz?
Section 1, sir.
And Rafatul, Riful Sheikh?
Sir, section 2, sir.
Habibur Rahman?
Sir, section 2.
And Ryan?
Section 1.
Okay, first Mustafiz, go ahead.
So can I say it's 1 plus?
Can you see the screen, Mustafiz?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm asking you, give me the answer. This is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Yeah, it is what? What, ZF or ZI?
So this is ZI.
Okay, what is ZI equal to? Tell me.
So ZI is 1 plus
Mhm.
R1. Sorry. R1 plus there is a division.
On the top is what?
R2. Yeah, R2 divided by
Into.
1 plus.
Hey, come
yeah,
on.
no, sir. Divide. So in the bottom.
Oh, you can directly tell me what is the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, R2
So
divided by
in the
what?
bottom, yeah, 1 plus
Mhm.
R2.
Go.
R2 C1S.
C1S.
Yes,
This
yes,
is
sir.
what as ZI, and this is your
Yes, sir.
ZF.
F. Yes, sir.
Okay, ZF equal to what?
I
So
cannot
ZF
see the screen.
Why you
So
cannot see the screen? Hey, hang on. Who
Okay, sir.
cannot see the screen?
Naib Raihan cannot
Ryan.
see the screen.
Okay. Who? Anyone else cannot see, or all of you can see?
Sir, we can see.
Sir, we can see.
Okay,
Can see,
Nahid. In
sir.
that case, maybe you have some problem. You restart and then see it again. Try.
So okay.
Okay, go ahead. ZF
That is
equal to what?
R3
Hmm.
plus
Plus.
there is a division sign.
Yeah.
Like
What is the on the top?
R on the top R4 and in the bottom is 1 plus R4 C2S. R4 C2S.
Yes. Okay. Good. This is what
Yes,
you
sir.
get, right? Okay.
Yes,
Now, finally, you got the answer. What was the final
Yes,
answer?
sir. So the final answer is 1 plus ZF
On the
by
top is
ZI.
what?
If I
Hey, come on. On the top.
so on the top, so I have
After simplification. Oh, you didn't
I
do
didn't
that.
simplify.
Oh,
No,
no,
sir.
that's okay. Okay, I understand it. Now, Nahian.
Yes, I kept it as 1 plus then.
No.
ZF.
No. You have to do that way. I have shown you earlier.
Okay.
Ryan.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Raihan,
Yes, sir.
you told me what will be on the top. Bijuru by BI. Did you do?
Sir, I only did the initial part.
Okay, good. No problem. Now, next come back to the Habibur Rahman.
Sir, I also did the initial. I didn't
Okay, no
simplify.
problem. All of you go ahead again and faster. Finish it. Final answer you give me and that's it. Bijuru by BI equal to what? Like last time I have shown you. After simplification, what do you get? Either you multiplied or not multiplied, doesn't matter. But 2 things on the top and bottom. 1 plus ZF by ZI, and then you just simplify it the way I have shown. Yeah, anybody? Bit fast. It's not only this 4 guy. If anyone can do it, you get 0.5 because 1 will be divided. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Who has done? Who had done? Okay.
Sir, Habib.
Habib, go ahead. Oh no, hang on. Before Habib, PL, did you do PL? Abhijit?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
sir.
are the new guy. Okay, tell me what is the answer?
So B naught divided by B1 equals to R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 C1 S.
Hey, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
No.
No.
Yes, sir, I can see the screen.
I'm talking about the guy who is answering.
Yes, sir. I'm Abhijit. I'm seeing the screen.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, what I written, can you tell me, Abhijit?
B naught divided by Vi equals to R1 plus R2.
That's it. After that, what will be? Tell me.
Plus R1 R2 C1 S.
Then?
Into that includes in bracket.
This.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Bracket 1 plus R4 C2S.
R4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, R4. R4 C2S.
C2S. Then bracket closed and plus.
Plus. Okay.
Yes, sir. R3 plus R4 plus R3 R4
R3 plus R4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then
that includes the bracket, sir. We can start a bracket.
Okay,
there
is it the bracket
plus.
here as well?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is
okay,
correct.
now you tell me. I'm writing on the top. I'm writing on the top plus.
Yes, sir. I am.
Tell me what is that?
After plus, that start a bracket, sir.
Within bracket, go ahead.
R3 plus R4.
R4.
Plus R3 R4 C2S.
C2S. Then?
Then bracket closed into 1 plus.
Go ahead.
R2 C1S.
At the bottom?
In the bottom, R1 plus. First, we need to
R1
start a
plus,
bracket.
Within bracket, okay.
Within bracket, R1 plus R2 plus.
Go ahead. You can carry on.
R1 R2 C1S.
Then?
Then bracket closed and we start a bracket 1 plus.
Oh, the same thing, R4C2.
Yes, sir. R4C2S.
Okay, then?
That's, yeah, I think.
You lost. That's all.
Yes, sir. That's all.
Okay, and now PL. I'm sorry,
Yes,
this
sir.
is PL, right? Now
Yes,
I'm
please.
asking Habib. Habibur Rahman, is it correct?
Sir, I didn't make it. I didn't. Sir,
Okay,
I
different
just
way. You
different-
multiplied. You multiply
Yes, sir,
inside.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
Mustafiz. Okay, Ahnaf, anybody
Sir.
got the similar answer?
Yes, sir. I got the similar answer. Sir.
Who is there?
Yes, sir. Similar.
Kazi Ahnaf.
Ahnaf, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, and Mustafiz, you don't have any idea.
So I didn't complete the
Oh,
solution.
you didn't complete. Ryan?
Yeah, in the initial step.
Sir, I didn't complete.
Okay.
Similar answer.
Similar answer, right?
Similar
Kazi
answer.
Ahnaf also got the similar answer. So I think all of you can check this answer is correct. And I think what I'm going to go for is I'm giving PL 0.5 and where's the guide? Mustafiz.
So Mustafiz, sir.
Yeah, Mustafiz giving 0.5. That's it. One is
sir.
going to share. Good. Thank you very much for attending
you,
the
sir.
class today. And that's all for today. I'll upload the video and you don't need to go through this video today because today, tomorrow, and after that, you are going to have the exam. In that exam, you don't, this topic is not included. But you all are clever guys. You all are wise guy. At a good decision, you have come to the class and earn some points. That is very important for you, remember. Okay, everybody be careful about the CT1 syllabus. For that CT syllabus, this is not included, I'm telling you again. So you please, does not need to go through this topic for the CT1. CT1 will be up to last class, that is signal flow graph and Mason's gain formula from the beginning. I hope that everybody got every problem. If anybody got any problem, you can send me by email or you can call me emergency number and you can ask me and maybe I can arrange a way for you. I hope that should be fine. If I have a meeting, as I said, from the university administration, so I have to go for that meeting. I have to finish it now. And if anybody got any question or anything, as I told you, please send an email or call me at the emergency number. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Learn. Those who got marks, you just stay back. Rest of you can go. Riful, Mustafiz, Samid
Yes, sir.
bin Hassan, Rifat, Tazwar, Ahnaf, Pial. That's it. These guys stay back and rest of you can go. Thank you very much. Okay, now all of you.
Sir, who will stay back?
Yeah, you stay back. I'm going to get the mark sheet and you will tell me your name and I'll give the marks and then you can go. Just 1 minute. Okay, that's, can you see the screen? No. Okay, just wait. No, just a minute, 1 minute. Yep. Now I hope you're on section 1 and section 2, guys, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
triple is section 1. This is section 1 and this is, okay, one by one you have to tell me first. Riful, you are from which section?
Sir, section 2, sir.
Okay, just you tell me. Section 2. Okay, section 2 is this one, Riful. Which one?
The number 20, sir.
Number 20, good. Number 20 Riful is number 20. Riful is getting 0.5. Okay, fine, 0.5. Riful, you can go. Okay, you left me. So when you left, I'll hear a sound. If I don't hear the sound, you'll be in trouble. The marks will be taken off. Okay, now next is Mustafiz. You're section
Sir,
1 too?
yes, sir. I'm from section 1.
Section 1, that's right.
Yes, sir.
So section 1 means, okay, this is section 1 as well.
So this is section
okay,
2.
this is section 2, but this is section 1, is it? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your number?
Yeah, I can see. So 37.
37, Mustafiz, good. So you are getting here 1.5,
Yes,
0.5,
sir.
1. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
And then next, you leave the room. Then Samid
Yes, sir.
bin Hassan. Samid.
Sir, I'm
Section
from
1 or
section 1.
This is section 1. Where is your number?
39.
39, Samid bin Hassan, okay. Samid Hassan, you got 0.5, okay, 0.5. Okay, Samid, updated. You can leave the room. Thank you very
you, sir.
much. Okay, next, Rafat Tazwar. Rafat, section 1, 2.
Sir, section. So I forgot my section, sir.
You
But
done.
today wasn't my class day, sir.
Then is section 1. You don't know your section. Are you okay?
I just
You
forgot
should
for a
cut
while, sir.
0.25 cut from you.
Oh,
Okay, where is
sorry,
your
sir.
where's the number? Tell me faster.
Sir, something around 30, sir. That's what.
That's what. This is 30. Okay. You are in section 1. Remember. What are you
Yes, sir.
talking?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sorry,
you
just
got 0.5. 0.5.
Sir, I got 1 probably, sir.
No, is it?
You told that, sir. Like you told, sir, for the equation 0.5, and then you
Oh,
gave
I see.
some
Rajat,
values and I
yeah.
solved it.
Good, good. I forgot it. Okay. Now can remember. Okay, you're getting 1 then, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're right. I have written in that way. Now, Ahnaf, that's why you leave the room.
Thank you,
Ahnaf,
sir.
you
Salam
are
alaikum,
from.
sir.
Alaikum salam. Ahnaf, which section?
Section 2, sir.
Section 2.
Sir,
Good.
section 2,
Yeah, okay, no problem. Just check section 2 here. Which number?
26. So 26.
26 is here.
Serial number 26.
Okay, you got 0.5 earlier, and now you're going to get 0.25. 0.25. Ahnaf, your marks is given. You can leave the room. Thank you very much. Okay, now PL.
Thank you, sir.
PL, section 1, 2.
Sir, section 1, sir.
Section 1.
I think 23 or 27, sir.
Section 1 here. Okay, 23. Yeah. Section, you got 2.5. Okay, 0.
Yes, sir, 0.5.
5, right, 0.5. Okay, good. Okay, PL, thank you very much. You can leave the room now. Thank you.
Sir,
Anybody else?
sir,
Yeah.
Sir, I'm Ratil bin Mustafiz. I'm just a little bit worried because.
What's your name? What's your name?
Sir, Ratil bin Mustafiz. I'm just a bit worried
Oh,
that there is two
Mustafiz. Yeah.
Mustafis. Yes, sir.
Mustafiz, what happened?
There are 2 Mustafis in my section. I and another one.
Okay,
so
what is your section?
So section 1. My full name is.
Section. Hang on, section 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Section 1 is this one. You already
Yes,
given the marks. Which one?
Yes, sir. 1 mark, sir. Ratil bin Mustafiz, 37.
37. I given you just now. Yep.
Oh,
Here.
okay.
1
yeah,
plus
sir.
1.
I was
Okay.
just confused, sir.
Okay, no problem. I think you can leave the room. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, assalamu alaikum.